Hello guys! Nandito po ako. Buti na lang nakabalik na kami. Nandito ako sa 18th floor sa condo ng partner ko. Buti na lang nakabalik na kami at malakas ang ulan. So, it's raining outside. That's the Summit Hotel and that's his other condo, the Parthenon. And this is Robinson's Mall downstairs. So that's the front side of Robinson's Mall. This roof is the Robinson's Mall. So we're just near to the port. That's the port. So I'm working. This is my favorite view, window view. This is my favorite part of the room, window view. I just kind of amazed for the views, makes me relax looking at the buildings here, and at the same time I can see the port where we go for travel to Cebu, like in a ferry. So those ferries are going to Cebu. Those are the ferries that we've been like going back and forth, Cebu to Ormoc and Ormoc to Cebu. So yeah, so that's it. Bye.